Hey everyone, Akiko and
Ian here.
In today's video, I want to help you understand the difference between arigato and domo in Japanese. I'm going to show you when to use each word correctly and really help you to sound natural and polite in daily conversations. Because a lot of people mix up these words and then they either sound too formal or too casual without realizing it. But that's not the best way to communicate smoothly in Japanese. By the end of this video, you will know exactly when to say arigato and when to say domo so that you can confidently thank people in the right way without feeling awkward.
Alright, let's get started. What's the difference between arigato and domo? Akiko, I hear arigato and domo a lot in Japan. They both mean thank you, right?
Yes, they both mean thank you, but people use them in different ways.
Oh, so when do I say arigato and when do I say domo?
Good question, Ian. Let's start with arigato. Arigato is the most common way to say thank you. You can use it with friends, family, shop staff, or anyone. If you want to be extra polite, you can say arigatou gozaimasu.
Okay, so if someone holds the door for me, I say arigato?
Yes, that's perfect. You can also say arigatou gozaimasu.
And if my boss helps me at work, I should say arigato gozaimasu, right?
Yes, because gozaimasu makes it more polite.
Got it. Now what about domo?
Domo is a shorter and more casual way to say thank you. It's like saying thanks instead of thank you in English. People often say domo when they are in a hurry or don't need to be super polite.
Oh, so domo is kind of like a quick thanks when you don't want to say the full word.
Yes, exactly. But on its own, domo can sound a little too short or even rude. It's better to say domo arigato or domo arigatou gozaimasu. Sounds polite.
Oh, so instead of just saying domo, I should say domo arigato?
Yes, that way it still sounds friendly and polite.
Real life examples. Example 1 at a cafe. I'm about to pick up my coffee from the counter.
コーヒーでお待ちのイアン様.
Domo arigato.
That's perfect. It's short and but still polite.
Example 2, buying something at a store. I'm buying a sandwich, and the cashier is about to give me back my change.
こちらお釣りになります。どうもありがとうございます。
Arigato gozaimasu.
Yes, since this is a business situation, it's good to be polite.
Example 3, a friend helping you. I dropped my phone and Akiko picks it up for me.
あ、こちら落ちましたよ。どうぞ。
Domo arigato.
Yes, this sounds natural with friends.
Example 4, a stranger helping you. I'm lost and an elderly lady helps me to find the train station.
ここをまっすぐ行って右側に駅があります。
Arigato gozaimasu.
どういたしまして。Yes, with strangers or elderly people always use gozaimasu to be polite.
Okay, I think I got it now.
Great! Let's do a quick review. Quick review. Arigato, domo, thank you, to friends, family, everyday use. Arigatou gozaimasu, polite. Thank you at work with strangers or customer service. Domo sounds too short, so better not to use alone. Domo arigato, casual but polite, thanks to friends in a quick situation. Domo arigatou gozaimasu, super polite, thank you, good for formal situations.
Okay, so if I'm not sure, I should always say arigato or arigato gozaimasu to be safe?
Yes, that's the best way to sound natural and polite in Japan.
Awesome! If you want to learn more Japanese words, leave a comment below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun Japanese lessons. See you next time!
See you in the next video. 見てくれてありがとう。またね。